APHLC staged a protest at Hamran over the custodial death of Dipendra Phangcho on 15 December. Citizen of Borlangpur applauds Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CM of KAC, for providing drinking water ringwell facilities. That anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel observed at West Karbi Anglong's Dwar Amla constituency on 15 December. Good morning and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time. The custodial death of Dipendra Phangcho on 14 December had sparkled a fire among the citizens of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong districts. Various students, social and political organizations like All Party Hills Leaders Conference APHLC had staged a protest condemning about the incident. Recently, on 14th of December, an instant agitation was also organized by Watadlangso Tata Mobile Truck Driver Association seeking justice at Hamran Police Station the day Dipendra Phangcho died. Likewise, on 15th of December, APHLC organized a procession from multi-utility building MUB Hamran, West Karbi Anglong to Hamran Police Station, followed by the sit-in demonstration in front of Samson Singh statue adjacent to the police station, demanding stern investigation to prevail justice to the victim and family, and also to terminate the service of the officer in charge of Baithalangso Police Station. A memorandum citing all the demands was also submitted to Krishna Barua, Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong, through ADC of West Karbi Anglong District. Angtong Ingtigathar, spokesman of APHLC, Kursing Timong, Dhaneswar Rongphar, and several eminent leaders of APHLC were present at the event.
Akang sai long lek dikelitum kachi song bang keington telo la pening tong tanang nelo.
Channeling his report from Hamran for Karbi Anglong Live. Citizens of Borlangpur expressed their gratitude towards Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CM of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, for furnishing RCC ringwell drinking water facilities across Lumbajong's Borlangpur area. The citizens of Borlangpur had to travel miles to fetch safe drinking water. These implications had created a huge challenges for the people. Hence, paying heed to the grievances of the people and in order to set free from all these challenges, Dr. Tuliram Ronghang, CM of KAC, entrusted Dhan Singh Kramsa, social worker, to ensure absolute construction of the ringwells. And as per the direction of Chief Executive Member of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, more than 40 RCC ringwells were constructed and inducted into services across Langkangsam Tokbi Village, PWD Haridwar Village, Sipahi Village, Langphai Disa, Sarthe Chinthong, Dima Hading, Pepe Village, Tipra Village, and many more under the supervision of Dhan Singh Kramsa.
पहले हम लोग का पानी के लिए बहुत असुविधा था। सीएम सर और धन सिंह करो मैंने हम लोग क्रमशः दिया तो पानी खाकर हम लोग मैंने आराम मिला है।
अभी लोग लापसन है।
नॉन रिंग नंग पीलो पे नीले तो एक किस्म क्या अभी लापसा का सुन लो है सब में नॉन बंके रिंग नंग पी पे के किस्म नीले तुम सॉल्व ना किस्म तो सौदा बंके आराम लो डाक हेम रोंग मैंने चित्ते बॉक्स है लो है फ्रंके इंग्सी रिंग लोंग सी बंग डॉन फोर्थ शॉक सी क्या बंदा चुसोक नंग मसी सुन चले तो बंके रिंग नंग पी ओ जो ने माको के रिंग में सी लोंग नीले तो ना
Longsadar Ingti's report for Karbi Anglong Live. Under the initiative of Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, Dwar Amla Mandal Committee, birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, former Deputy Prime Minister of India, was observed at Serdihun ground on 15 December. The event was chaired by Khor Singh Bey, President of BJP, Dwar Amla Mandal Committee. Prabhat Chandra Taro, EM of KAC, attended as the chief guest of the event. Radhip Ronghang, President of BJP, West Karbi Anglong District, Gojan Crow, Chairman of VDC, Dwar Amla, Longsing Rongpi, Ward Commissioner, BMB, and several dignitaries of the region attended as a guest. Prabhat Chandra Taro, EM of KAC, deliberated the life, works and contribution of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel at the event. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is also known as the Iron Man of India. He was one of the leaders of the Indian National Congress during the struggle for Indian independence. During the first 3 years of independence after 1947, he served as Deputy Prime Minister, Minister of Home Affairs, Minister of Information, and Minister of States. He was a true nationalist, and his enduring fame rests on his achievement of the peaceful integration of the princely Indian states into the Indian Union and the political unification of India. Hence, to commemorate his achievement and contribution to the great nation, Sambardhana Yue Hankritik Karyakrama event was organized on the occasion of the death anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
আমি আমাৰ দেশত বিশেষকৈ ভাৰতবৰ্ষত আমি জন্মগ্ৰহণ কৰাৰ পাছতো ভাৰতৰ এনে বহুত কথা থাকি গৈছে যিবোৰ কথাই ভাৰতৰ নাগৰিকেই নাজানে।
Pratap Kathar's report from Wathalangso for KAL English Live. That's all we have. It is for this morning. Thank you for watching KAL English Live. Have a great day.